Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another episode. Today, like you see, in the shed. You're like, jeepers crepes, what's he doing in the shed all the time? This is where all my good stuff is stored. Well, as you can see, fresh new cut, looking good, real good. And today, we're gonna be working on the Suburban again. Wiring. Woo! So we need to grab all the wiring harness out of the Suburban, put her in the wheel horse so we get the wheel horse, I'm gonna say it, running and driving, because I think it might have a belt. So stay tuned. This ain't gonna be an episode you're gonna want to miss. She's in the corner though. Gosh darn. Okay, well, I don't know how much of it you guys are gonna see. I had her in time lapse. I really wasn't happy with it, but anyways, that's what we're in with. Ignition switch. Shoot, don't break that, no. Coil, hot wire to the box tray. Wire going to the starter. I already went ahead and I eliminated all the voltage regulator stuff for the lights, because I don't think that wheel horse is running lights, so we don't need it. But anyways, this is dead nut simple, and I'm gonna take it up to the house, put the battery box back in the wheel horse, hook up the ground, and should be off to the races. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Also, another thing I found out on this Suburban, I'm gonna just use this wiring quick. Yeah, so anybody interested in the soapbox gear? There you go. Oh shoot, got you guys in the tripod. I'm using you as a kind of a float stick for my GoPro, kind of redneck. Anyways, we had just take the whole battery box gas tank combo assembly out, but the clutch is mounted to it, so that fought me for 3.29 hours. But that's fine. So we need to go that way now and put all this beautiful wiring in. So yeah, my favorite wiring. Woo. Okay, hey there folks, we're back live. We just went ahead, we're starting to drill our holes for starter solenoid. I said coil out in the shed. Coil's up here, you silly goose. But anyways, I'll show you guys what we did on these motor mounts here. Pretty much took the grinder and the die grinder, we just notched it, ground it all in, and then got little hex or little bolts, threaded pieces of bolt, the long guys, I don't know, they're about 2 inches, I would say. Here, heck, I got one right here. These guys, took 2 long ones, complete long ones up in the front, ran those all the way in. You can see where we cut ground and welded it all back together, threw some paint over it. And on the back here, we just took them, we cut them in half, we angled them on the bottom, and we just pushed them in, welded it all together. So that works pretty good in my book. I must say so myself. So I don't know, and then just welded it all together and ground it all down. So I gotta keep drilling this hole for the starter solenoid. Once I get the solenoid hooked up, gotta put the tank back in it, hook up ignition switch somehow. I gotta make those wires longer up to the dash. I gotta put the dash back in it, and we should have a runner on our hands, so fingers crossed. Woohoo! Okay, folks, I don't know if I should be scared or excited as all get out. She's doing some not happy stuff in the background, and I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Ignore the beautiful skull that we got cooking here. But, oh, damn it, I need to grab a key. Yeah, you know that, it won't start without a key, because I need to pop that in the ignition. I suppose I could jump the starter solenoid, but I'm not gonna do that. We got a key right here. This is gonna be attempt number 1 at starting the 1971 Wheelhorse 8. That's Wheelhorse 8. With the 14 horsepower, so. Okay, it cranks. I can already tell our connection at the starter is not good, so I'm gonna tear the battery off quick and I'm gonna clean that guy up, and woo, we should be right back to her. Okay, we're back. Whoa, shoot. Zoom you guys in here real quick. Meow. Got our ignition switch here. Got our one lead coming off to the solenoid, or one lead going to the voltage regulator because we need that. One wire, hot wire, when we hit the switch, it's gonna go boop, and that's gonna run to our coil, make our coil hot. Show you guys diagram on off of here. Got her all nice and pulled up here. Here we go. See?
So the index switch there. So you got B goes to starter, shares the post off your solenoid going to your battery. The S goes to your solenoid. Your I goes to your ignition coil, so you got 12 volt power. And then you got
You got your coil wire.
your charging.
Yep.
Goes to the R.
Yep. Charging goes to R.
The R.
Yep.
And that should be it.
Yep.
And then she should fire up. We'll give her some dinosaur juice and
I save tractors.
we'll fire it up.
Hopefully, in theory. Just to quote him, I ain't good at wiring. I'm good at putting it on. I ain't good at hooking it up. I can hook it up. I can make things run. I can't make things shut down, so that's why he's here. Yeah. So yeah. Air battery in there. Regulator. Coil is nice and hot. Took me an arm and a leg to find that. A little nut there. Get her coil wire on there. But we'll throw some hot sauce to her and we're gonna see if she'll go. Should drive too. That belt might work. All I gotta do is throw all the keepers on and she should be good to go. How's that hot sauce bottle treating you?
She's doing good.
Oh, that pump should be fun to feed off of.
I think we need to get a new one.
Oh, I think you're gonna have to
I don't know if we're gonna.
I don't know if this is gonna work. Anyways, we're gonna have to really crank on her to feed her some fuel though. Here, you want me to hit the key?
Oops.
Oh, shoot, a little too much fuel. I just sit on this toolbox here.
Yeah, I better get all the exhaust here. She's gonna be loud.
Ready for this?
Here, 1 second.
So just open up that, give her a little squirt.
Make sure we don't got no
All
loose bolts or nothing.
obstructions in our way. No, we don't want that. Should hold idle. It ran pretty good when it was in the Sears, so. You ready?
Yep, see if she'll go.
Our battery's arcing out.
Okay. Oh yeah, the ground
Yeah,
is
we don't
loose.
got her ground hooked up.
Okay.
Okay, hit her one more time.
Give her. Okay.
Okay. So, are we getting fuel through our pump? Oh, I don't know. That line is rock hard, but we are getting fuel. She choked?
She's choked.
She's choked.
I'm
Alright.
gonna give her a little squirt here.
Oh. Too bad it wasn't like an accelerator pump where you just. No, she'd be off to the races, but not this girl. She does got hot spark. We already checked that. Oh, that's the first thing you checked, right?
Yep.
First thing you always check. That and compression. Oh, it'll go. It'll go.
Okay.
Contact. Oh, no. Figure a little more.
Okay.
Regulator up here is arcing out.
Oh, she's not
We
grounded.
ain't got her grounded, so she's arcing out on our fuel tank strap.
Yeah, we'll get her.
Your phone fell on the ground too.
Well, there you go.
There you go. She runs.
She'll run.
She's gonna be alive. Cause you have to stay tuned for next week's video where we get her running and driving. I think this is gonna be the outro for the video here. Oh. This is gonna be the outro for the video. Can you see me now?
Oh, yeah.
Just fine. My beautiful face here. Outro for the video.
Not to mention you got a haircut.
Oh, full skullet going there. Anyways, this old girl, she's gonna be back next week for another episode of Gerkie's Get It On Garage. We might have a little junkyard action coming to the channel here. I'm really excited about that, so stay tuned. Anyways, back to this girl. Hopefully, get the fuel system buttoned up. Our wiring harness here, she's just dangling. Get that cleaned up, put away nice. Ignition switch mounted in her dash. I gotta go through the dash yet.
And we also got an in-deck plug for the back of that switch where we'll
We do.
make the wiring right. And
Yeah, yep,
put the dash back in her and
yep. Mount our voltage regulator here.
hook up some throttle and choke
Some throttle
cables.
and choke cables. Get the right size belt. We need a belt that's about 2 inches shorter, so yeah. Getting real close to just having a runner here. Now all we gotta do now is basically, once that's done, we're gonna brace completely underneath the motor. Just go after it. Some flat stock. We're gonna run her out in front for a weight bar. It's gonna be rad. We got wheelie bars, we got hitch, we got rear kill switch,
Exhaust stack.
exhaust stack, steering wheel. We're gonna put a steering wheel on here.
We got to do a seat.
Gotta do a seat. We're gonna do a custom aluminum hand seat. What else? What am I missing?
You know, we got kill switch. We got tires.
We gotta mount our other tri-rib. We gotta mount our turfs because we pull turfs, so
We can't give too much away.
we can't give too much away. That's just it.
Yeah.
There's more surprises down the road. So
Maybe someday we'll get a whiteboard. We can
whiteboard. We'll
write
be
everything on. And,
scribbling it all down, and hey,
Yeah.
we're doing this. Hey, we're doing that. Big shout out to my dad. He's the cameraman right now too. Help me get this old girl buttoned up. He did all the welding down here on the frame. He got her all buttoned up. And yeah. So remember, if you guys like this video, to maybe go think about like, sharing, subscribing, share it with your buddies. They might like pulling tractors. You don't know. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your uncle. Share it with your grandma. I don't care. Get her nice. Get her nice and big.
share it to a stranger.
Share it to a stranger. Someone you don't know. Just whoop, send. You know? Just gotta send it. You gotta live that way in life. And yeah, subscribe while you're at it too. Subscribe. Get the channel nice and big. You know, that's what we're gonna try. It's gonna be nice. And make sure you go check out all my friends down below. There's some good guys. I've known them for a while now. And as always, this is Gerkie's Get It On Garage signing out. And you're like, oh heck, that's a one rad pulling tractor. And I'm like, heck yeah it is. And you're like, oh man, I want to build a pulling tractor myself. So there's where you come in. And you keep turning those wrenches. Hot dang! Woo!